In this video, we'll discuss various fixes for the missing road textures problem in Dragon Dogma 2, particularly focusing on PC solutions. Check for CPU bottleneck. Use tools like MSI Afterburner to monitor CPU and GPU usage. If CPU usage consistently maxes out while GPU usage is below 90%, consider lowering CPU taxing in-game settings and experimenting with process affinity settings. Adjust process affinity. Utilize advanced settings to force the game to use specific CPU cores. Look online for recommended core configurations for your CPU. Try different DirectX versions. If compatibility issues arise with the latest DirectX version, force the game to use an older version like DirectX 11 through game launcher properties or command line arguments. Disable overclocking. Temporarily disable CPU or GPU overclocking to troubleshoot stuttering issues, as overclocking can sometimes introduce instability. Fresh game install. As a last resort, perform a clean reinstallation of Dragons Dogma 2 to eliminate any corrupted files causing performance problems. Additional tips. Monitor temperatures to ensure CPU and GPU are within normal ranges. Close unnecessary background applications consuming system resources, and ensure chipset and graphics drivers are up to date. Community forums. Explore online forums dedicated to Dragons Dogma 2 for specific solutions related to stuttering or performance issues, as users may have discovered solutions not documented elsewhere. Reporting the issue. If none of the solutions work, consider reporting the stuttering issue to Capcom's official support channels for further assistance or investigation of potential bugs affecting high-end systems.